So we had a $10 RC car. We broke it, and then Noah fixed it
somehow
by taking off the shell and then putting the wires back in a very way. But hey, it works. Who knows how long it will work for, but it works. I mean, it was never that good in the first place, so we don't have our expectations very high. It does go a lot faster now without the body on it, that's for sure.
Weight reduction at its finest.
Weight reduction is key. The turning radius is still awful.
Terrible.
Are you having fun though?
Yes.
I should definitely mention that we were out here for, I don't know, 30 minutes probably messing with this thing in the backyard. So yeah, we can find anything and have fun with it. So that goes to show what it's like to hang out with us. Alright. No.
Piece of shit.
Alright, should we try and take it off one of the rocks now? That'll be its final send off.
Scent.
Oh.
It heard that and was like, nope, I'm dead.
Oh yeah. Let's do this. Oh. Yeah, we killed it. Oh, the wires are still... Oh,
hey.
It lived. Nice.
Oh, there's still control. I think I'm stuck.
Yeah, I think the batteries are dying.
It wants to.
We'll do one more send off. See if it can survive one more send off. Maybe it can't even. And it landed it. I don't know if I recorded all that, but yeah, maybe a little bit. We'll see. It made the landing though. I'm impressed. Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like it like made the landing. Like it actually did it. Again, it still is working after the landing.
Sorry.
Oh, that one killed it. Oh. Alright, we pulled one of the tires off just for fun. Let's see how it goes. It's struggling. It's a constant game of, can we get the wires to work? Welcome to today's video, I guess. We're just recording random stuff in our backyard because Noah just moved here. So yeah, this is what it's like. One of the first few days that he's here, we're messing around with a $10 RC car.
Shout out Toys R Us.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Toys R Us.
Yeah, Allie and Lexi were cleaning up today, and they found it in one of the boxes, and we're gonna throw it away. And I was like, nah, Noah and I can have fun with this. So we are. And apparently that's what today's video is going to be.
One wheel.
We have now taken off both back tires, and Noah wants to see if it can drift. But the steering angle that this thing has is absolutely awful, so I don't think it's going to happen. Maybe go forward and then like use reverse. Like, here, wait, let me try.
It's like you need to drift. It turns better left than it does right.
Oh yeah. It definitely stops quicker than I thought it would. Dang it.
No traction.
I was trying to see if you could, like, you know, use reverse, like, as a fake e-brake. but it doesn't, it stops too quickly. Rockford? Oh, no. I'm trying to knock the tires over. I can't do it. Come on. That was so bad. Also, we have these flip-flops. They were supposed to be for Allie's sister Jasmine, but now I wear them in the backyard, and when I take out the garbage and stuff, they're pretty dope. Now without the tires, it does burnouts. I wonder if I can just like hold it with my shoes.
Sick burnout, bro.
This is a better burnout than I could do with the real car. Wait. Yeah!
It works.
There we go. Oh, rolling burnout? I wonder if it's actually wearing down at all. Not really. I was trying to wear them down, but it's not doing anything.
Yo, this is gonna be interesting.
Alright, so we kind of put the tires back on, but not really, and we're gonna see what it does. Will it not even go? Oh. It goes. Just not very well. Getting those fancy angles. Okay, let's take this back off. I put this back on to take the picture for the thumbnail. I'm just waiting for Allie and Lexi to get back and be like, "You guys are still back there?" For context, Allie and Lexi went to the grocery store and they left like almost an hour ago, I think, at this point. I don't know. Somewhere near there. It's been a while, and we've been out here pretty much the whole time.
Oh. Come on. Get up there.
The other one isn't even spinning, it's just spinning in the tire.
You broke it.
Did I actually?
Yeah, it won't go now. Let's try that.
There, I didn't hit it that time. Hey, the wheel landed standing up though. I like the other tire's just rolling away. You're good. You can do it. Yeah! And it broke. They've made it back.
I know you don't like coffee, but I really want you to try this.
No, Phoenix, back up.
It is so good.
I'm no thought.
Ugh.
No coffee for Drew?
No, that was disgusting. Yes, we broke it quite a few times. But Noah just kind of keeps putting it back together in ways that make it so that it works. And then we keep trying to find other ways to break it. So like we've taken the tires off of it multiple times. What?
I know how. I'm sorry, I almost just died.
And
Yeah, that'll do it.
it's big day.
Battery capsule broke, but it opened from the other end.
Alright, well, Allie put the batteries back in, and the wires this time somehow didn't come loose, so it still works.
No, I fixed it way more than that. I did my magic touch.
Oh, I thought you actually like put the wires back in the right way or something.
No, I'm not that good.
Oh,
I dropped out of college. Do you remember that?
yes, I do remember that. Alright, well, we're done with it for today, but we're going to keep it for the next time we're drunk. So, I don't know if that will be in this video or the next video. It depends on when we get drunk again. So, yeah. If it's not this video, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright, here you go.
Peace.